Greetings everyone, this is Abarna of 2nd BCom here to present the video content on the topic Vacation of Office of Directors. Here, the word vacation means removal of directors from his office, which is explained under the section 167 subsection 1, which contains 8 clauses to remove a director from his position. Here, the first class is divided into two parts. The first one is disqualification under section 164. Here, there is a presumption that he is already a director, so he is removed on the particular day when he is disqualified under this particular section, so that he cannot make new appointment or continue his position as a director. The second part, if he disqualifies under section 164 subsection 2, the office of director shall become vacant in all companies other than the company which is under that subsection. Moving to the next class, when he absents from all board meetings for 12 months continuously, here calendar year and fiscal year is not considered. Date of meeting should be taken so that he will be removed on the next day of his last meeting. He will be removed even if he seeks leave permission. The next two clauses are related under section 184. This particular section has three stages, that is disclose, participation and realization. This can be explained with an example. Assume that Mr. A is a president of a company and Mrs. A is also president for a different company. When Mrs. A proposes a contract to Mr. A, he should not accept the contract blindly that because of his wife he should follow these three steps, that is disclose, participation and realization. In the board meetings he should disclose all the contents in that contract and participate in all the board meetings that is conducted to accept the contract, and he should also realize the things which is given in the contract. That is in section C, when he contravenes participation, entering directly into contracts or arrangement in which he is directly or indirectly interested. The next class, when he fails to disclose interest in any contract, agreement or contravenes of section 184. The next class is pretty same as class A, when he becomes disqualified by order of court or a tribunal. Tribunal is a body which is set up to dissolve disputes. Moving on to the next class, when he is convicted by court for any offense, whether involving moral turpitude, otherwise imprisonment not less than 6 months. The next class is he is removed in pursuance of provisions of any act. For example, under section 169, shareholders can remove any type of director even before his tenure. So this class says about the removal of any director in provisions of any act. Moving on to the last class, to remove a director, this class states, having been appointed as a director by virtue of his holding any office or any other employment in holding subsidiary or associate companies, ceases to hold such office or other employment in that company. This whole class can be explained by a simple phrase called ex officio person. For example, a person is elected as a president of ICAI Council, and there is a committee called disciplinary committee which is under that particular council. If he becomes the president of ICAI, he also becomes the chairman of disciplinary committee which is under it. When he loses the position of president, he then loses the chairman position of disciplinary committee. This is what, when a person is in charge of any holding subsidiary company, when he loses his position of director by doing the things that is said in the previous clauses, then he will be removed from all the associate companies. That's all the content is about, and thank you.